thunderstorm warning for East Central DeKalb County in north central Georgia, southern Gwinnett County in north central Georgia, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Littleburn, Oregon, 7 miles southeast of Peachtree Corners, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lawrenceville, Peachtree Corners, Snellville, Lilburn, Loganville, Norcross, Grayson, Tucker, Mountain Park, and Rosebud. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. The National Weather Service